because we're going to learn a ballet variation. This is the famous variation of Esmeralda with the tambourine version. And we are going to learn it today. Now, the difference is that this variation is easy, so it is a modified version that all beginners can do. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start in a fifth position right here. Remember, don't overdo that fifth. Just let it happen naturally because I don't want you to hurt yourself. So we're going to start. We're going to, from fifth, my right is the front, my left is the back. We're going to open, second. We're going to close now with my left in the front. We're going to open and close with my right in the front. Again, from here, I'm going to have a passe, passe, up. I'm going backwards. You see? The passe, back, the passe, back. Let's do it with arms now. So we have arm 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tambourine. 1, tambourine, up, 7 and 8. Let's try it. And 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna do this 3 times. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 7 and 1. Bum, 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 bum. The last one, we're gonna open again with our fifth and second. Right here, we prep, and we're gonna do a pirouette to the right. Why am I so tired? We're gonna do a pirouette to the right, and step with my right, plie with my left in the front. I'm gonna do a single pirouette. If you wanna just go ahead and go crazy, do 2. So I'm going up, and 1. Right here, I'm going to go round the jump with my right. So I did right, left, turn, and here. Round, jump. This is my right. I'm gonna start with my left, first, and open in arabesque. I'm gonna open with my right, cross it in the front. Tambourine, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is going to repeat 3 times. So I step, turn, and here. Ba-da-da. 1, 2, 3, ba 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 ba. Ba-da-da. 1, 2, 3, and ba ba ba. Ba-da-da. 1, 2, 3, and ba ba ba. One more time. Prep. Again. Pirouette. Plie. Plie. Right here in my fourth. Turn and up. From here, we are going to, I'm going to just move a little bit to the front, to the center. I'm going to go around with my leg and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like little chassis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do it again. So we have 1 arm right here, torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plie, right here. So you plie, you do a chaîné. When you face to the front, plie with my right, and come up like sliding your left leg. From here, I'm gonna open 1 in a glissade, and 2 again. So we went around, it's like a circle, you're doing that in a circle. Let's do it again. So we did 1, plie, plie, turn, and 1. And they move right here, so I have more space. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, part I love the most. 7, 8, you're going around with your tambourine. And you're ready to start the best part of the dance. So, okay, so now this step is one of the most difficult ones that I've encountered. But today we're not gonna do it all the way up. We're gonna stay low. And I'm gonna explain you what it is. So we're gonna start with our left leg rotated. I'm gonna bring my right in a passe right here, and I'm gonna bring it up, straight, rotated. So I'm gonna come from here, up, here, up, here, up, plie, and up. I'm gonna repeat this 3 times, and it looks like this. So we have dun, 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 dun. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Don't you love it? Amazing. So just make sure that when you're rotating, you're here 1, 2, 3. The time when you cross, you move your body to the front to do the passe, put it to the back, and do it one more time. Okay, so once again, we did our 3 times, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. We did our 4 times. 3 times. The 4th, we're going to go around in a chaîné. I'm going to open in a chassé, step with my left, open. Your right is gonna go all the way to the floor. Sorry. Open this one right here. Turn your hip, right arm up, and you're facing to the front. Make sure you have that cambray right here so it looks more spectacular. Okay, so let's try from the beginning. And besides that, I have a surprise. We have live music from Mr. Patrick Behringer. If you want to hear more about him, don't forget to go to his channel and subscribe for some piano lessons. So let's do it from the top. Woo! Okay, so now we're ready to do everything full out. But just before, let me tell you, I know you want to do everything bigger and you want to have that big extension and super long extension, and that's okay. But when you do your arabesques, make sure you're not overdoing it, because then you're going to lose your form. For example, if you go like this, this is not an arabesque anymore. We're just losing our form. So if you just can do a little bit arabesque, but it has to be like on the right way, right? So if you go like here, and if we keep it here, that's okay. That's okay. We don't have to keep it all the way up. So just keep on practicing and everything will turn out. So don't worry, you got this. Let's do it from the top. video, and if you have any requests or any suggestions or whatever you want to write, write it in the comments down below. And well, keep on dancing!